What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And it was March 16th when I was out hiking. I was using my GoPro Hero 7 Black, hit a branch, and later looked and left a marking, as you can see, right there on that front screen. Now, obviously, it doesn't affect the camera and the video and pictures that it takes, but it definitely affects what you see on that display. So I have the Plus Care with GoPro. I reached out to them on the 18th, and today is the 28th, and I just got my replacement. They said normally it doesn't cover, they're replacing it, but they'll do it for this one time, and it's brand new. You can see it's got all the sticker and everything. I think it's new because they said it would be brand new, and sure enough, there it is. So I have to say I am really impressed with GoPro. They've been great every time I call for service, questions, and ultimately it's been a great experience. So I'm excited. I'm going hiking again this weekend. I didn't think I'd have my GoPro for 2 to 3 weeks, and sure enough, I got it in less than 2 weeks. So I just wanted to share this with you. If you don't have the Plus service, I'd recommend spending that $4.99. If I didn't have that, I may not have gotten this replacement and a brand new unit. So wanted to share that with you. Now I've got to download it up, or actually I need to download the latest software to make sure I got the latest for my GoPro for this weekend's hike. So just wanted to let you know if you were wondering how that might work, and I've been very pleased with how quickly customer support picks up the phone, answers my questions, and in this case they took great care of me, got a new unit, and now I just need to hopefully be careful and this won't happen again. So that's about it. If you have any comments, questions, please feel free to leave those in the description. Anything of this video that was help, please like it, subscribe to my channel. I'll be sure to subscribe back to yours, and I hope you have a great GoPro day. Thanks again, GoPro. Really appreciate the great support. Have a great day. Take care.